Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about frames and how you can create your own frame and use it in Canva. We will be using the Canva and PhotoPea. Let's get started. Open canva.com and I'm going to choose Instagram post. Now for this, you're going to want to go over on the side and choose elements. And you'll see I have some recently used. I am going to bring in this, what looks like a blank sun. One thing you want to make sure is that the image is black. If it is not black, let me pull in the butterfly here. You'll want to come up here and make it black. So we will show how to do that after we get done with this one. So with this image, you want to size it however big you want it. You want to download it as a PNG, but do not check transparent background. Click on download. Next, we're going to come up here to another web browser and we're going to go to photopea.com. And we're going to drag in that image we just downloaded. And you'll notice it comes in with a white background and it is black. So from here, you want to click on select, color range, and then click anywhere in the black and hit OK. And then you want to press the delete button. And you'll notice that it took the black away, but it left the outline. And you'll know because you'll see a gray and white checkerboard. Next, you want to click on File, Export as PNG, and you want to save it. So next we're going to go back to Instagram or Canva, I should say. I'm going to delete the image I downloaded and I'm going to bring in the new image. So you'll notice that it has just the outline. So I am going to bring in a photo behind it. And I'm going to detach it from being the background and I'm going to send it backward. So now what we want to do is we want to make sure that the whole white area is covering the background. And you'll notice, if you see here, I have a little line at the top, this little gray line. So we want to try and drag it above and see if we still get it. Nope. And then we want to select both and hit group. This will allow you to resize it however you want, and the both will be together and they will move together. And you can go ahead if you would like, and you can duplicate the image so you have more than one. Next, we're going to add a page, and I'm going to show you how to do it with a colored image. So I'm going to bring in this image right here. And you'll notice it has two colors up here, if you'll see the two colors here. So what you want to do is you want to click on the first one and you want to change that to black. And click on the second one and change that to black. So then what we're going to do is we're going to just download this one page as a PNG. We'll come into PhotoPea. I'm going to close out the last one that I did. We'll bring in the new design. And again, you want to click on select, color range, select the black, hit OK, and press the delete key. And you'll notice it did all the little dots. We want to click on File, Export as PNG, Save. I'm going to come back to Canva. I'm going to delete this image. I am going to bring in a photo. And then I'm going to bring in the image that I just downloaded. And we can make it bigger and make the background one bigger. And there you have it. And there are no gray lines on the outside. Select them all and group. Let's do another one. We'll do the butterfly this time. I'm going to bring in the butterfly. I'm going to change the color to black. And then I'm going to download that image as a PNG and leave the transparent background unchecked. I'm going to come back to PhotoPea. I'm going to close that image, bring in the new one, click on Select, Color Range, click anywhere in the black, hit OK, and hit the Delete key. Click on File, Export as PNG, click on Save. I'm going to come back to Canva. I'm going to delete this image out. I'm going to pull in a background. We'll choose one from the photos. And then I'm going to bring in the butterfly. And you'll notice it looks like a frame. I'm going to select all and group. So this way you have your own frame that you can use on your posts. Also, when you bring in an image, you can make it the size that you would like, depending on how big or how small you want it. But one thing you want to make sure is that when you bring the image where you've taken out the color, when you bring it back, you just want to make sure that you see no gray lines around because you have this white background. One of the other nice things about doing this is you'll notice on your uploads, it saves them in your uploads so you can use them time and time again. Like earlier, I worked on a flower. I did my zodiac sign. I did a leaf. So you can save these. They will be in your uploads and you can use them time and time again. I hope this information helps. And if you would like to see more, click on subscribe, click on the bell, and you'll get notified when new videos are posted.